Hello guys, it's Cuba, and here we are going to do the unboxing of QJ timer, green transparent one. I ordered it from Cubelelo, and here is the box, here is the package. So let's get into the package. Where to open it? So here I also got this voucher from Cubelelo. So here is the timer. So wait a second. First, I will put batteries here. Here is the timer. Yeah, it's working nicely. It's good for beginners. So first of all, let's do a solve. First you have to scramble. So here I got 22.96 seconds. It was my first solve in timer, so therefore I did little. So hope you like this timer. It's good for really, it's good for beginner, and it's just shop 700 rupees in Cubelelo. Here return 1299, but it's not true. It's just shop 700 in Cubelelo. And if you want to buy this timer, then I have put a link in the description. You can go there and order it from there. So okay, hope you like this video. If yes, then please give thumbs up and please subscribe too. I'll meet you in my next video. Okay, thank you.